Hey guys, I don't know if you have realized it, but the new gun is out today. How's it called? Oh no, the Portal Rift or something. I don't know if I classify it as a gun actually. Cause what's it? Maybe we could. Yeah, it's really hard to classify something. Oh, let's go get some red supply drops, guys. If you don't know, I'll read you the notes. They say that if you go there's this now it's playground, but you have like these red supply drops, like more chance of spawning. Yo, you see this? That's a glitch. Is it? It is, right? Dude, we just found a glitch. And they told us you can find like a lot of impulses in it, like you can see. You guys, why did they do this? This is so weird. Why having shockwaves? Why would you have shockwaves if you could have these nice impulses like 18 times or something, whatever you want. Like I could just go like this. Boom. So the goal of this playground match is to find the gun, the new Portal Rift. Why do I keep on saying gun? I don't really need the guns. Dude, I got so excited, but then I saw it. Maybe I want to keep the scar. Oh. I just don't want to die to fall damage. If I have one mission, I don't want to die to fall damage. You guys. But that's so sad. If you die to fall damage. Like, actually. It's so sad. Hello guys, I'm dying to fall damage. My free recorder only allows me to go 15 minutes straight. So I might have to upload a second one later this day. Just, guys, type it in the comments down below. I need everyone to type hashtag Portal Fortress. No. Please give it me. You guys never saw that. Woo! Look at this skills. Yo! I didn't take fall damage? Do I take even fall damage? Will this game mode allow me to take fall damage? Does someone know? Dude, why don't they make it like you only find porta forts? These new porta forts. I want to make something with these new porta forts. I don't want a grappler gun. Dude, I got so excited. You don't want to know. Chips. Like chips. It's like you have a basket full of chips in front of you, and then you realize there's no chips inside. Like, only air. And you're like, will this allow me to die? Okay, it does. That's really sad. You guys just pretend you didn't see it. I'm waiting for it. Yeah. Who's online? Who's online? Let me just look. real quick. I think it's somewhere here. Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? I ain't finding it. I can't find it, guys. I just can't. It's some guy. It's someone, not a guy. It's not a guy. Like this. That was really sad. Guys, my building is really bad. There you go, bastard. And then shockwave. Woohoo! We only want chests. What's the chance of finding it on the ground? I think the title would be Search for the Portal Fortress. Portal Fortress. I might as well make a part 2 if I don't find it. Yo, that was sad. That was just sad. Me! Default skin jump. No way I can't find it. I tried. When you try your best, but you won't succeed. I have some launchy patties. I also gotta improve on my buildings, like really badly. See that? I usually play with a new mouse right now, so I only build like. See that? That's how I build with my new mouse. I see the problem. Oh, I see the problem. I see the big problem, guys. I was building wrong. So if we have this one, then it's this one, then it's this one. Okay, I'm getting really angry. How will I? Guys, look at this. No one ever saw that. I tried to grapple her way too far away. Let me just look. I think like if I spawn in, I'd spawn lower. I'm not sure. No, not online. Yo, I just died next to a llama and I didn't see that. Sorry, llama. It's all right. Oops. That's what defaults could do. Is it? I don't want to talk about this. I got so excited. When I was like really bad at this game, I used to do this. Huh? Huh? I always would have got sniped. I just want to try it. Ooh. Hi, Mike. 8 HP. If you're really dumb and you let your clock fall, it looks like that one. No way! 2 shotguns that I love. But I just don't want them right now. Fortnite, give me that new Portal Fortress. I think we should find a legendary vending machine. I'm gonna go out in the open. I left this thing behind, I guess. I'm gonna go like this. Look at this. Me. That was really anticlimactic. How would it go like this? What if I do like this? A lot of air time. Woo! Guys, if you wonder, in these red supply drops, you get, oh! I'm so sad. Why, game? This is Playground, okay? Guys, type hashtag stop Fortnite updates. Because I hate update day. Just because of this. Well, I build up a quick build like this. What happened? So secure base? This is so secured. Why did I say secure? That was really awkward. Don't ask me why I did that. Don't ask me why I did that. Don't ask me! Don't ask! Don't ask anything, okay? Guys, I've 1.5 more minutes of recording. Please, Fortnite, I have to upload another video then. Dude, Fortnite, no! Hashtag RIP in the comments. This will be a hashtag RIP. Oh, is this legendary? Just give it to me, Fortnite. Like, actually. I don't want to make another video on this. Fortnite. Fortnite! Can you hear me? Probably not. Epic! Not this gadget missile launcher thing. Here, Porta Fortress. Look at this. I'll make it a Porta Fortress. If you guys wanted to see a Porta Fortress, look here. Porta Fortress. Bye guys. That's the end. I'm making my own Porta Fortress.